Got a couple of rowdy guys here that just got off the bus. I was walking on this side of the street here. Looks like there's a fountain here that ran out of water, but the reason why I crossed the street was, again, look at this. I don't really quite know. Maybe this is a church. Yeah, there are 4 characters at the bottom. The top 2 windows are on the sides are empty. I don't know what the purpose is for this building, but again, just incredible architecture here in Rome. Wow. Okay, well, I'm gonna cross the street again, or maybe I could stay on this side of the street. We'll continue onwards.